All right, today I'm going to show you how to get the Hubsan Zino for $254.09, and I've done a lot of reviews on the Zino, so if you go through my videos, it'll let you know if you think the Zino is right for you. All right, if you go to the link that I have in the description, it'll bring you to this page here, and I have to choose the CN warehouse. And to get the cheapest one, I just chose one battery. And if I add it to cart, and view it in cart, it'll show you it there for that price. And again, Banggood gave me my own coupon, so if I type in BG Zino, and then CL Tech, and then hit apply, and that brought it down to $254.09. All right, so that's it. Just wanted to show you another coupon that I have. So subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be uploading more discounts that I have, more reviews on quads that I get. And yeah, just stay tuned to what I got going on. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time.